Hey, today I'm going to introduce you to a really excellent Google app that I think is underused, but probably is one of the most versatile apps you can use. So I'm going to go up here to my grid, my app grid, and I'm going to select Google Keep. And Google Keep is that yellow icon with the light bulb. And I think that light bulb is just genius. It's a great way to remind myself that this is an app I want to use. Today what we're going to do is we're going to make a list, but as you can see right here, having a Google Keep is like having a virtual sticky wall. I'm going to create a list, so I'm going to go to the checklist here, the little check, and I'm going to click on that. And now I can start adding in list items. So I need to put in there buy wrapping paper and wrap gifts, giving tree stuff, take to PES, bake cookies. And of course, right now you can tell what I'm doing. I am creating a list that is going to be a holiday to-do list. I'm also going to color code it because I want to be able to find it quickly. So I'm going to click on red so I can find it fast. And then there's this little pin note here. If I click on the pin note, it's going to allow me to pin it to the top of the page, which is really, really cool. Now, of course, if you're using extra add-ons like Grammarly, sometimes those things get in the way, but you can see that it's right there. Now, I can also add collaborators. So if I want to share this with somebody, like let's say I want to share it with the person living in my house, I can go ahead and I can hit share. And now I have a collaborator to this list as well. You can see how you could use this in a variety of ways, either personally or in your classroom. If you need help using Google Keep, seek out one of the Parkview Tech Integrators. We'll be glad to help you get it going. Happy Monday.